Hey guys, this is Margaret, your Texas Realtor. Yesterday I was in Conroe. I hope you guys got to see that property tour. Today I'm in the southwest side of Houston. Out here in Agua Estates community, a brand new subdivision. They only have 95 homes in this gated community, and it's called Agua Estates. The builder is Contempo Builders, and they're doing a phenomenal job in their features and what they're including. So let me first take you on this video tour. So thanks for coming on another property tour with me. And right now, this builder is offering washer, dryer, refrigerator included on selected inventory floor plans. So if you are interested, contact me at locatemytexashome.com, and let's get out here and get you a brand new home. Until next time.